We've been learning about polygons and prisms, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find the volume of a prism. So what is volume? It's the amount of 3D space an object occupies on the inside, so how much stuff it can hold. The units for volume is cubic units. So for example, you have feet cubed, centimeters cubed, inches cubed, etc. So let's do an example. How would we find the volume of a rectangular prism? So look at the rectangular prism with the following dimensions. The first thing that you want to do is find the area of the base. So the area of the base is a rectangle. And then you want to multiply it by how long the prism is, or the height of the prism. So you look at what the volume, what the area of the rectangle would be, which is length times width, and then you would want to multiply it by the height of the prism. So once we substitute our numbers, we get volume equals 12 times 4 times 20. And so you would get the volume to be 960 inches cubed. So let's look at the volume of a triangular prism. So volume, you're going to take the area of the triangle and you're going to multiply it by the length of the prism, or the height of the prism. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and then we're going to multiply that by the height of the prism. So that's why I have two different variables here, h1 signifying the height of the triangle, and h sub 2 to signify the height of the prism. So I'm going to substitute in my numbers. So it's 1/2 times the base, which is 6, times the height of the triangle, which is 7, and then times the height of the prism, or the length of the prism, how far back it goes, times 12. So when you do that, you get the volume to be 252 inches cubed. So in general, anytime you're trying to find the volume of a prism, it's going to equal the area of the base. So you need to figure out what is the base. And you're going to multiply by the height of the prism, or how long the prism is. So once again, in general, you're going to find the area of the base, whether it's a rectangle or a triangle. It's going to be probably either one of those. And then you find the area of that, and then you multiply it by the height of the prism, or how long the prism is.